Recently, we covered grouping files into one folder with a single click. But what if you could do that in reverse? Hi, I'm Juliet, and today we're talking about ungrouping files in Scrivener 3 for Windows. In the Documents menu, or if you right-click on a folder, you'll see the Ungroup function. This is a way of removing all the files from within a folder and putting them on the same level. Select the folder or container and select Ungroup. You'll see that all of the next level, in other words, everything that is a direct sub of the one selected, will now appear beneath it on the same level. Everything within any subfolders, though, is still left intact, but you can do the same with those. So if you've decided that you want to change the structure of your binder, this could be a useful tool for doing just that. This is that video of putting multiple files into a folder. No dragging and dropping required.